Everyone knows dogs can't resist a good walk. Greg's sausage rolls are 5p more expensive, and people are fuming for many. Even uttering the word around them will send them into a tail-chasing, yipping mid-screwball of excitement. For one New York pooch, though, a quick trip round the park wasn't quite enough. Meet Penny. This intrepid, furloughed friend is a big fan of nature, and we don't just mean an afternoon lazing in a local field. For Penny, it's all about the great outdoors. Long hikes, mountain climbs and more all feature in her excursions. There's a sad tale behind her big grin, though. Penny spent the beginning of her life locked up in the basement of a drug den in the Bronx, New York. Subjected to constant physical and emotional abuse and anguish, she was eventually dumped, left alone on the streets of the neighborhood aged just 12 years old. Picked up by a local pound, she was taken to their highly overcrowded headquarters and immediately put on the euthanasia list. She was eventually rescued by a local organization called For Friends in Need, a foster-based animal rescue focusing in Monmouth County, New Jersey and Staten Island. Eventually, current owner Blaine DeLuca adopted her from For Friends in Need, taking Penny off to her new home in Canton, Georgia. Upon returning, though, Blaine noticed his new pal had a deep-seated understandable fear of both noise and people. That's when he came up with an ingenious solution. Blaine began taking Penny out on his nature walks, hikes, and rock climbing and abseiling adventures. Penny took to it like a fish to water, adorable paw shoes and all. The adventures helped Penny overcome her fears in style and also pick up 23K Instagram followers and rising along the way. It's certainly one way to get over a horrible past, and look how happy she is now. Mission accomplished. More. Everyone loves Joker the police dog, who was very serious on his first day. More dog hangs around Stafford Station for so long Virgin trains give him a uniform. More dog finds massive 10-inch dildo in park and refuses to let it go.